Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I have been trying to figure out window treatments for our bedroom since we moved into this house over 2 years ago. These top-down, bottom-up cellular shades by Graywind are so perfect. A feature that I had not seen before for blinds was that you can choose to have a solar panel. So it's not super big, it doesn't take up much of the window, and it keeps it charged all the time, so I don't have to worry about it dying. We did have to get the extension cord because we outside mounted the blind, but they do have that option. I was happy that I could customize the side of the blind that the charging port is on because these are corner windows in this room. I obviously needed the ports to be on opposite sides to charge properly. The remote is really easy to use for just the basic functions, and it comes with lots of instructions for more advanced features. For example, I don't technically need an alarm clock because my kids wake me up every day, but if you did want your blinds to open at a certain time in the morning to wake you up, that is an option that you can do with this remote. I can almost completely black out the room if I want to sleep in the daytime because sometimes I'm up really early with my kids and I need a nap in the afternoon. They were very straightforward to put up. It did take 2 people to clip them in for the larger blind, but it was really easy to do. Whether you need privacy, you're a daytime napper, or you just need absolute darkness at nighttime, I highly recommend these blinds from Graywind. They are so awesome, they are easy to put up, and you can customize them in so many different ways. I really love them, and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.